Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing about NFT. Yes, NFT. I know you've heard about NFT before. It simply means non-fungible token. What do we mean by non-fungible token? How is it related to the blockchain? What's the importance? Should I buy it? Should I sell it? Is it really profitable? What are the applications of NFT? These and several other questions will be answered in this video. Before we get started, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yes, a good number of you are watching my content, but you are not subscribed. Please subscribe so that it will help to grow this channel and make YouTube to put these videos to new viewers. We need to grow this channel, and you can make us to grow this channel by you liking this video now. Thank you so much. Now, the easiest way to explain NFT is to tell you about what you already know, something in your house. Now, let me give you an example with my cardigan. You are seeing this cardigan, I bought it from Primark for like $40. Now, you can go to Primark and order yours. Even though there are similar cardigans that you can get from Primark, but I will tell you that it's different from mine. And the only reason why it may be different from mine, even though it's the same price and the same size, is because of sentiment. I have worn this cardigan several times. My friends have commented on it that it's very big whenever I wear it. People have told me that whenever I put on this cardigan, I'm like someone that's going to the moon. So it holds sentimental value to me. It's similar to any other extra large cardigan of this type you will see. But this one is unique, it's special to me because of the sentimental value I hold for it. Now, let's give an example with a plate. There are other plates like this, but because I've used this one, let's assume it was the only plate I had when I was in school, it holds a special place in my heart. It's unique to me. It's special to me. It's not replaceable with any other plate, even though they may be of the same color, the same design. This one is special for me. This is what we call non-fungible. It simply means non-replaceable. It is not interchangeable. So fungibility is an economic term used to denote things that are equal. $1 note in New York is equals to $1 note in California. If you order for an Apple laptop online, they have made like 1 million of them and they will send you any one. Any of them can be sent to you because they are fungible, they are the same. The operating system within them is the same. I have a pen here. I can give you this pen. I can also replace this pen I'm holding with this pen. If you ask me to give you my black pen, anyone I give to you, as long as it is writing, you are okay with it. Now, this means that are fungible. You can replace one with the other. That's the meaning of fungibility. One can be replaced with the other. They are replaceable. But when we say non-fungible, it means they cannot be replaced with the other. It's unique. You can't ask me for a black pen and I will give you a blue pen. No. These two pens are different. They are both pens, but they are unique in the sense that this is blue and this is black. And this is even more expensive. So there are some features that differentiate this pen from this other pen. So we say these two pens are non-fungible. They are not replaceable with each other. Each of them is unique. Each of them is special in their own ways. So that's what we mean by non-fungible. It simply means not interchangeable, not replaceable. So when we say NFT, it means non-fungible token. It's simply an acronym for non-fungible token. So which means there's a token. The T is for token. Token means that it dwells on the blockchain. What then is a blockchain? A blockchain, as the name implies, is a chain of blocks. So in cryptocurrency, blocks are added together for verification to prove that things are authentic. Things cannot be altered. Things are the way they are. They have not been changed. So blockchain is a platform that allows things to be recorded and can never be deleted. Once they are recorded, they can never be altered. Once they are recorded, nobody can come and change the figures. Stealing is not allowed. It contains small transactions into small blocks, and change one block to the other block, chain the second block to the third block. It will keep chaining it for eternity. So you can't change any transaction or any item inside the block. Once something is inside the blockchain, it's fixed, it's permanent. A token simply means an address, an app, an item that is resident on a blockchain. So why do we want to put this our plate now on the blockchain? You can't actually put the plate as a physical object on a blockchain because the blockchain is a digital object. So what you can put is the address of this plate, the ownership of this plate, the metadata, that's what they call it, of this plate. You can put it on the blockchain, which means that you are the owner of this plate. So the person that's able to record the metadata and has the address of this plate is the owner of the plate. So we use non-fungible token as a proof of ownership. It means that you are the owner. You don't have the address of this plate because you are not the owner. So I can choose to put the address of this plate with my own name, my surname, and some other details so that it will be residing on the blockchain so that it cannot be altered. You won't go and change it when I'm sleeping and steal my lovely plate. It's my plate, not yours. Sorry. That is what NFT actually is. It's not something difficult. It's not something that is difficult to comprehend. It means ownership of something that is being held in a secured place. The way you put your money in a bank, because the bank is a secured place. There's something that's even more secure than the bank, and that's the blockchain. So you can put address, name, other details of what you own on that blockchain. Now, because the blockchain is a digital platform, most things that are being recorded now are actually digital, like music, video, words, audio, images, clips. Because all of them are already in digital form, it becomes very easy for us to record it on the blockchain. You can equally record physical objects like your house, the plate I've showed you, your shirt, your pen. You can digitalize it and put the address on a blockchain to prove that you are the owner. Imagine there's a viral YouTube video and people are sharing it, or a TikTok video, people are sharing it. It becomes so viral that you can no longer trace the creator of the video or the song. If a company wants to use the video now or the audio for an advert, they have to pay the creator. So who would they pay since everybody have it on their phone? So NFT help us to be able to trace the rightful owner of the song or the viral audio, so that if company want to use that song or the video for an advert, they will pay the rightful creator. Most things that you and I use online are just copy and paste. You can copy them and paste them, but someone created them. So now that they are viral, they're all over the world, if we want to give attribute to the creator, how do we know the creator? The only way we can know the creator is through NFT, because it is the place that it hosts the details of the creator. So even though you and I can copy it and use it as much as we like, if a company wants to use it for an advert, they have to pay the creator. And they can only trace the creator through the address in the blockchain. Another example is the example of Mona Lisa. You are seeing the picture on the screen. I got it online. You too can get your own online. But someone created it. Leonardo that made it is the rightful creator of Mona Lisa art. So even though that I can print it and have it in my house, you can print and have it in your house. If we want to give credit to the creator, we have to give it to Leonardo. So NFT help us to keep accountability of things that we own. And I told you that it's resident on a blockchain because the blockchain cannot be altered. The blockchain cannot be changed. It cannot be deleted. So once it's recorded that you are the owner, forever and ever, you are the owner. It cannot be altered. It cannot be changed. It is fixed and permanent. So what you can do now is to sell that right of ownership to other people. If they want to use it, you can sell the right of ownership to other people. That's bring us to the buying and selling of NFT. So when you talk of NFT, it's not something crazy, something, what could it be that's costing so much? No. It could be an art, it could be a drawing, it could be a diagram, it could be a word. I can make my name Chinonso Daniel as an NFT. I can make one of my YouTube videos where I'm doing like this, take a picture of it, and call it an NFT. So it doesn't have to be something difficult. You have to be cracking your head. What will I create? No, it can be something like this. Take a picture of it. I can go and sell it as an NFT because it simply means non-fungible token. You can never see it anywhere in the world of me doing like this. I am the one that created this moment. So I can go and just sell it on a platform as non-fungible, non-replaceable. It's only me that exists in the whole world. There's no other person like me, just like you. You are unique. So you can take a picture of yourself, a video of yourself, a painting that you did, video that you did, music that you did, audio that you have made, and sell it because it is non-replaceable. It is unique to you. You are the person that created it. So you have the right of ownership to it. The most popular blockchain that's being used is Ethereum. And if you go to OpenSea.io, you can list any NFT that you have. People are listing it. They are listing NBA moments. Man City Football Club, Chelsea, Mayo can list special moments where Hazard scored a goal or where a footballer did something unique. They can sell those moments, even though they can be recreated by other players, but it's irreplaceable, they are unique. And how much do you charge? It's a free word. You charge whatever you think it is worth, as long as people are willing to pay you for it. So I can do like this and charge $5. I can also do like this and charge $1 million. So people are buying and selling NFT. And everybody is hoping that once they buy, the value would rise in the future for them to sell it. It's just a business like every other business. The first tweet that was made by Jack Dorsey, the co-founder of Twitter, is now up to be sold as an NFT. And I think he sold it for like $2 million. Just like that. Just a tweet is being sold for $2 million. There are different examples of NFT that's being sold. And some of the most special ones and expensive ones are Pet Rock, Crypto Kitties, Everyday, Crossroad, Charlie Bite My Finger, Crypto Punks. So there are different things that people are selling in order to make money in this online space. Some people say that NFT does not have value. Hey, I beg to disagree. Value is what people call value. This shirt, someone can say doesn't have value. But if I say it has value, I'm ready to pay for it and wear it. So value is what is defined by people. If people say that a moment have value and they're willing to pay for it, so that moment start to have value. So there's nothing in this world that is valueless or has value. It is defined by people that choose to give value to it or not. I can say this pen has value and I choose to pay money in order to get this pen. Someone can say this pen doesn't have value, I will not pay for it. So that's the market of NFT. If people think that it has value, they can pay for it to have value. And NFT is used in different areas. In games, in sports, in digital art, in virtual world, in music, in films. And it's even used for everyday life. YouTube videos can be converted to NFT. So any digital content that you create, you can make an NFT out of it. It's something that you can create as a person and choose to sell it as long as it is special to you, it is non-replaceable, it is unique. And you can sell it at OpenSea.io. There are several criticisms about NFT that is causing carbon emission, just like cryptocurrencies. But I beg to disagree because a study that was done by Cambridge University showed us that unused appliances in the US consumes more energy than cryptocurrency. So NFT is not the problem of the world. Will it go up in the future? Will it come down in the future? Nobody knows. But all of us are optimistic to see what will become of these non-fungible tokens. Hope I was able to give you a great understanding of NFT. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps to grow this community and forces YouTube to make this video viral so that I can sell it as an NFT. Bye.